Hello, happy Monday, togglers. Today we're going to take a look at Adobe and why the stock could potentially rise over 10% in the next couple of weeks to months, mostly due to volatility that had reached relatively low levels relative to history, which has previously turned out to be a bullish driver for this particular stock. As you can see on the overview, we actually have had two recent signals after sort of a very short-term kind of suggesting consolidation type pattern. There have been two volatility-driven insights that Toggle has produced. So we're going to take a look at the latest one to see exactly what the analysis is telling us. Now, looking at this specifically, always take a look at the chart first and see what exactly it's suggesting. So at starting price of 621.63, a rise that will be comparable to these 11 similar occasions in the past when the volatility was similarly low would suggest the price to rise to about 685.83. Of course, what you really want to see is the price to stay within this confidence interval and not drop outside of it, particularly not below the red line. If it does dip below 589.53, the odds of the historical analog still being important and one of the drivers of the stock will be significantly reduced, and it's time to reevaluate your position and holding of the stock. Now, why might it move? Let's take a look at these other periods where volatility was low so that we can see what Toggle is actually studying. As you can probably already notice from the chart itself, these were periods that coincided with a relatively bullish time for the stock itself. There have been a number of periods in the past where you've seen this kind of decline. And so we take a quick look at what the distribution of returns is, and the distribution here is ranging from 5% to 15%, but on the downside also quite 10%. So definitely worth paying attention to the barbell nature of this. So much for Adobe today. If you get the daily brief, should already be in your mailboxes. We discuss why tips, their real yields are as low, in fact negative, as they are now, and what that might mean for the economy and what that might tell us about the economy. So if you have it, should be in your mailbox already. If you don't, you can subscribe at toggle.global. Otherwise, like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we'll see you again on Tuesday. Thanks for your attention.